Welcome to third grade. Hi, I'm Mrs. Mahaffey and I will be your third grade teacher. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I have two children, Elijah, who is 7, and Emma, who is 5, and they will also be attending Martin this school year. I attend Fairlawn Baptist Church. I love to read, cook, and I do a little bit of sewing. I'm also very excited to be your teacher this year. Here's a look into your classroom. So here's some pictures that I've taken of what your class will look like. Some things to remember. Students need to be sure to bring their iPads charged daily with them to class. You also need to remember to wear a mask daily, and something that I forgot to put in this slide, you need to try to bring a water bottle because we will have a water bottle filling station for you to fill your water bottle up because you will not be able to use the water fountains. The pencil pouch and notebook provided with iPad is to be kept at home and to use on the days that you will be working from home remotely. Remember that students only attend 2 days a week and the other 3 days are remote. Your first day of school, if your last name begins A through L, or if you've been told differently, is September 8th, and if your last name begins with M through Z, is September 9th. This is how your day is going to look. When students enter the classroom, you will immediately unpack your backpack and hang it up. The first 15 minutes of our day is what we will call our morning meeting. Students will eat their breakfast during this time, and I will read a fun fact, a motivational quote, and give them an opportunity to share something. Then we will begin our station time. We will have reading and math stations. We will have specials after our station time. And to prepare you, if you are starting on Tuesday, you will have gym on September 8th. And if you start on Wednesday, September 9th, you will have library. After specials, we will have a writing lesson. And then from 11:20 to 11:50 will be our lunch. Recess will follow that. After recess, we'll come back in and have our math and reading lessons, and we will finish our day with our closing meeting where I will probably do a read aloud. Here's our class rules. Very simple. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of this space. During the first few days, we're going to talk with the students about what those look like in the classroom and how we will demonstrate that. Like, for instance, taking care of yourself can mean keeping your area clean or turning in your assignments. Taking care of each other is like being nice to your classmates or listening to the teacher. Taking care of the space is like not destroying the property or keeping the classroom neat and clean. We will discuss these more on the first day. I have voice level expectations and I have a visual representation of it so that students are aware of what is expected of them at that time. 0 means no talking. 1 means you're with your partner and you're talking quietly, like in a whisper. 2 is when you're in a group work and you can talk a little bit louder, like in a normal 6-inch voice. And then 3 is if you're presenting and you need to speak up loudly. Also, something very exciting is we will have the Book of the Month Club. And that means that each student will receive a free book to take home every month. And this is thanks to generous community sponsors who have already sponsored, and we have enough books to give out once a month. So it's really exciting. Some supplies. So you don't have to bring any supplies to school. They're already individualized and provided for you. But if you wish to send supplies with your child, you may, if there's something special that they like. But everything will be provided, so you don't need to worry about that. And lastly, your child will bring home a folder each day. Some days there'll be important papers for your viewing or that you may need to fill out. So you need to pay attention to this folder when it comes home. The first day of school especially, your child will have many, many papers in this folder for you to fill out. So I'm, again, very excited to be your teacher, and I can't wait to see you. Bye.